各位聽眾大家好，歡迎收聽 Pantry Talk。Pantry Talk 專為想透過真實商業新聞提升商業英語能力嘅廣東話專業人士而設。我係你哋嘅主持。喺今日嘅節目，我哋會傾下今日喺香港交易所發生嘅一件財經大事。今日有3間非常矚目嘅科技公司，分別係智譜 AI、天數智深半導體同埋 Edge Medical，同日喺香港交易所掛牌上市。佢哋嘅業務橫跨人工智能、半導體同醫療科技幾個熱門領域。上市之後，股價表現都相當唔錯，顯示投資者對呢一啲板塊充滿興趣。喺我哋深入分析之前，等我簡單解釋一下咩係 IPO。IPO 嘅全寫係 Initial Public Offering。中文即係首次公開招股，簡單嚟講就係一間私人公司第一次將佢嘅股份向公眾出售，喺證券交易所掛牌買賣。呢一個對公司嚟講係一個重要嘅里程碑，亦都為投資者提供咗新嘅投資機會。對香港嘅科技產業發展嚟講，更加係一個重要嘅指標。今日上市嘅3間公司可以話係各具特色。首先係智譜 AI，智譜 AI，佢哋係大型語言模型嘅主要開發者之一，被視為 OpenAI 嘅主要競爭對手，喺國內外都備受關注。呢場競爭意義重大，因為佢唔單止係全球 AI 競賽嘅一個關鍵部分，亦都突顯咗喺矽谷之外正有強大嘅替代方案崛起。跟住係天數智深半導體 Iluvatar CoreX Semiconductor。佢哋專注於開發用於雲端運算同數據中心嘅高效能半導體，係推動數字經濟嘅重要力量。最後一間係 Edge Medical， 佢哋係醫療科技領域嘅創新者，開發用於微創手術嘅高端醫療設備。呢3間公司分別代表住人工智能、半導體同埋醫療科技嘅前沿。佢哋嘅成功上市，無疑為香港嘅金融市場注入咗新嘅活力。了解完最新嘅市場動態，我哋嚟到今日嘅詞彙學習環節，我哋會教大家5個同今次主題相關嘅財經英文詞彙。第一個字係 Large Language Model。Large Language Model 中文意思係大型語言模型。呢個詞係指一種非常先進嘅人工智能，經過大量文字數據訓練，可以理解、生成甚至翻譯好似人類寫嘅文字。例句：智譜 AI is developing a powerful large language model to compete in the global market。第二個字係 listing。listing 意思係上市或者掛牌。呢個詞係指一間公司嘅股票正式喺證券交易所公開交易。例句：The successful listing of 3 major tech companies has boosted market sentiment。第三個字係 debut。debut 意思係首次亮相或者首次登場。喺財經新聞入邊，呢一個詞經常用嚟形容一間公司嘅股票第一日上市交易。例句：The company's stock had a strong debut on the market。第四個字係 investor confidence。investor confidence 即係投資者信心，佢係用嚟形容投資者對整體市場、某個行業或者某隻股票未來表現嘅信心水平。例句：The strong performance of these 3 companies on their first day reflects high investor confidence。第五個字係 rival。rival 意思係競爭對手，佢可以指喺同一個市場上競爭嘅公司、產品或者個人。例句：智譜 AI is considered a major rival to other big tech companies in the field。學完單詞，我哋嚟聽一段模擬對話，睇下喺辦公室 pantry 同事之間會點樣傾呢個話題。Hey Chris, did you see the news today? 3 major tech companies,智譜 AI, Iluvatar, CoreX, and Edge Medical, all had their listing on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange.
Oh yeah, what a day for tech IPOs. It's a clear sign of strong investor confidence in diverse sectors, AI, semiconductors, and medtech.
Definitely, I'm particularly interested in智譜 AI. Their large language model is making waves, and they are seen as a major rival to OpenAI.
True, but don't forget, Iluvatar CoreX high-performance semiconductors are crucial for everything, from data centers to AI. And Edge Medical is a leader in its own right. It's quite a mix of technologies.
Exactly. It shows that investor interest isn't just in one area. The market is backing foundational tech like semiconductors and practical applications in medtech as well. It's a healthy sign for the whole ecosystem.
That's right. It's exciting to see Hong Kong becoming a hub for such significant tech listings.
希望頭先嘅對話可以幫到大家理解點樣應用呢啲詞彙。節目到咗尾聲，我哋嚟快速重溫一次今日學過嘅5個詞語：Large Language Model 大型語言模型、Listing 上市達標、首次亮相、Investor Confidence 投資者信心、and Rival 競爭對手。希望大家以後睇相關新聞嘅時候，會對呢一啲詞更加敏感，不妨喺工作會議或者電郵入邊試下用佢哋，會令你嘅表達更精準、更專業。今集嘅 Pantry Talk 就到呢度，多謝收聽，我哋下集再見。